Hello everyone, I've been a painting contractor for 25 years and the goal of this channel is to help make painting at home simple. For all of you do-it-yourselfers out there looking for professional results and wanting to save some money. So thanks for watching and please like and subscribe. We want to help as many people as we can. Thanks again. Okay, today what I want to do is show you how to clean a roller cover. We've got a video on how to clean a brush. I want to show you how we do this at the end. We get all the paint, as much of it off as possible before we dip it into the roller. When we're done finishing, we make sure we have somewhat of a drier roller. And then we take the can that we're using, this is flat paint right here, and we take the frame and we just kind of set it on the edge, and we have a 5-in-1 tool. And we'll just slowly go like this with a little bit of pressure and get the paint off, and then turn it like this, and we'll just go around and we can really get, you can see how much paint is left in the roller. And if we're using really good quality rollers, then we can clean them and we can use them again one more time, which saves you money. So we want to get as much of this off here as possible. And then we'll take and we'll wrap it up into plastic. We'll take it home and check in on part 2. Okay, part 2. We're back in the shop. We're going to clean the roller cover. This is how I like to get it off of the frame. I take the bottom, the end of my rolling pole, and we're just going to kind of connect it a couple times until it comes off. Set that back over on the side, and now we're going to get our water going, and we're going to use warm water, and we're going to get our 5-in-1 again because we've already scraped off a lot of the paint back into the pan. And we're going to clean this roller cover, and we're going to do the same thing in the water. We're just going to go like this, and we're going to scrape off the remaining amount of paint like this. And we're just going to go around and we're going to keep getting as much of the paint off as we can by scraping it. And we're going to flip it over and do it the other way. And it takes a few minutes, but we're going to start to see that we're getting most of it out of there. And this 5-in-1 tool works perfect for this very reason. And this is a nice roller cover, so we can use this again once we get it clean. Okay, so what I'm going to do then is I'm going to take my spinner, put that right in there, and real slowly I'm going to spin. And now I'm going to go back in for another round. Okay, we're going to get it cleaned out one more time, same process. Okay. And we just do a nice job, and then we're going to spin it and let it dry. And we'll let it dry overnight, and we won't use it again until it's fully dry. Nice and slow. We'll let it dry and we can use this again.